Hello guys! Happy New Year to all of us! Before January 1,
I would like to thank you.
thanks to all na naghatag sa among pinaskuhan this year 2025. I'm very thankful. Yeah.
Jima, Milet, and Choni. Malita and Casas family. Ma Jennifer Casas. Ado and Tiliklik and Casas family. Titelma and teacher. Naisilsa and Taipat. Of course, my BFF, Mars Lisa. And family. Donel and Timilit and DC. Casas family. Manard siblings. Millie, Cora, and Tristan.
Thank you, thank you sa mga naghatag sa pinaskuhan mo. God bless us all, mga palalabs, relatives, friends, neighbors. I'm sobrang happy. Kaya bisan wala ko'y trabaho, nagya kong blessing na ikahanda ng January 1, 2026. Nice kayo ang carpooling guys of course, the year of horse. Thank you to all of you and happy New Year. More blessing to come. And healthy as well. Love you all.